If you try out this one little tip, you will see such a great improvement in your portraits just using your iPhone. Welcome back, and if this is the first time you're seeing me, my name is Jess. I am an English family and portrait photographer. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can improve the quality of your portraits only using your iPhone. So you can use an iPhone, an Android, or whatever you have, with a strong light source placed just out of frame on a 45-degree angle from where you are. Okay, so what you want to do, if you click the yellow box so it selects and focuses on your face, and then just drag where you see the sundial down until the background is completely dark, and you can play around with this dial, bring it up or down depending how light or dark you want it. And now you can start taking photos. I'll just do some poses here and show them on the screen so you see how they turned out.
I can't really help this shit. I'm so hyper vigilant. I admit it, I'm taking score. Just to throw it in your face. Don't know why I do these things. Don't wanna be me anymore.
So now you've realised just how powerful your phone can be and how you can take all different kinds of photos in your house. And if you click this video here, this will show you how you can hide stomach fat in your photos. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and turn on that little bell so you get notified whenever I upload. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.